The water in our fridge hasn't been working for a while now. We had no idea what the problem was, so we just kind of let it go and used the ice. Then one day, water started leaking all over the floor. My husband did a test on the water tank from the fridge and found out that we have a crack in it.
Right in there. It's cracked between the seams.
So we ordered a new water tank, and this is it.
Although I think this was probably a waste of time and money. I don't think I got it working.
We found out not only had the tank been cracked, but the water was frozen behind the part where it comes out at. So we set about trying to unthaw it. So besides our tank being broken, our water freezes behind the water, where the water comes out. The water comes out right here. It freezes in here somewhere. So we took a blow dryer and opened the door, and we just heated that up right in here. And I also heated it up in there with the refrigerator unplugged at the time, so water didn't come out. Now, in this refrigerator, a lot of times it freezes up and the water won't come down. That was the problem we were having, besides the tank being broken. So, how do you stop that freezing? With this piece of weed whacker. This is all it is a piece of weed whacker. And the nozzle where the water comes up, you just shove this up in to the nozzle, and you'll have a little piece sticking out. I just shove it up in a little further. But when it freezes again, when the water freezes and won't work, you just take and pull that, jerk it around in there, and your water works again. Okay, our water is finally working. Water.